want me to hold anything?
No.
So how old is this chainsaw, you think?
I don't have an idea. I don't know too much about chainsaws.
What do you know about?
That they cut limbs and they cut fingers too.
Have you ever cut your finger on one before?
Damn right. One time I was cutting that tree there,
Yeah?
and one limb was sticking way up there, and then Albert was cutting it, and there was limb that we couldn't cut, and I told him, hey, let me show you how to cut this limb way up here. So I got the chainsaw and I went like this, reached it up and cut it.
Yeah?
And then the thing came down and cut me right here. Let's see if I can with it. One of these fingers right here, it almost cut it in half. I mean, this finger. You can see the scar no more. So then Terry saw it and she went screaming inside. My daddy's bleeding, my daddy's bleeding. And then they had to take me to the hospital. And they gave me a tetanus shot.
And here you are to tell the story?
Huh?
And here you are to tell the story?
Yeah, thanks God. Watch it, because I'm going to blow this thing in.
Alright, I'm gonna stand over here. There's dirt in there?
Dirt? It's mud. You know the best way to get this? Without water.
Are these things waterproof?
No, that's why you don't use it. What kind of oil do your dad put on there?
I have no idea.
Because it takes a chain oil.
Want me to call him and ask him?
No. Already bothering my life yesterday. Joe hadn't sent you those pictures yet about the toolbox.
Me? No. But I got some. Are they the ones you sent me yesterday?
No.
Oh,
Joe was going to send it to you after 2.
Unless he sent it to my father or someone else. Where's the toolbox? Which one?
The one that I'm going to sell. It's got a bunch of tools. A friend of mine with Medco, he's got him trying to sell them. But he hasn't been able to sell them. Go to the other side here. See how much I can get on this side.
Want me to do it?
No, okay.